Hi guys, today's vlog we're going to take a look what's inside my bag. So this is my bag. I used to bring this every time I go to work. So yeah, let's take a look what's inside my bag. So basically what's inside my bag is so I have Yakult. I have my iPod. So let's see what's inside. So yeah, I have my iPod. I have some red pockets here from the guest. I have face mask here, surgical mask. And I have sandwich. I bought this in 7-Eleven because I might get hungry later. I have soy milk. I have lint remover. Did I say it correctly? This is a Chinese herbal candy. They call it Ran Hao Tang because I have sore throat. I have also strepsils. So I have my chargers for my S10 Plus, Samsung S10 Plus, for my iPad and for my iPhone. So I have some tissues. I have chocolates. I love chocolates, guys. I have Picnic from Cadbury. I have Cream O. I have Toblerone. Coffee. I have money. This is my new favorite, guys. Cheese roll. So yeah, that's all. I have some biscuits, lighter, Cream O, Mentos, Cream O, candy, Cream O, cheese roll. So let's see more. I have candy. I have my AirPods. So yeah, I have eye drop from Japan. I have this is from Galaxy Macau. I think this is for like if I don't know what is this used for. So beside my bag, I have my this is alcohol. I have my access card and my keys. I have tissue, my coin purse, and so yeah, that's all. I think. Yeah, thank you for watching.